Most homeowners never think about their crawl space. Out of sight usually means out of mind. But underneath your home are some important structural components holding everything up. And one of the biggest is the crawl space support beam. If those beams begin to weaken, deteriorate, or lose support, you can start seeing problems throughout the entire house. Things like sagging floors, cracks in drywall, doors that stick, or floors that feel soft and bouncy when you walk across them. So today, let's talk about what crawl space support beams actually do, what can damage them, and how you can help protect your home from costly structural repairs. A crawl space support beam is exactly what it sounds like. It's a major structural member that helps carry the weight of your home. The beam supports the floor joists above it and transfers that weight down into the foundation below. Without properly functioning support beams, your floor system simply can't do its job. Everything above those beams depends on them remaining strong and stable. One of the biggest threats to crawl space support beams is moisture. Water may not seem like a major issue underneath your home, but over time, excess moisture can create serious structural problems. When wood stays damp for long periods, it becomes vulnerable to wood rot, mold, mildew, and fungal growth. As the wood deteriorates, it gradually loses its ability to support the weight of the home. Moist crawl spaces also attract termites and carpenter ants. These insects thrive in damp environments and quietly damage structural wood long before homeowners realize there's a problem. And even if your crawl space contains steel components, moisture can still cause issues. Metal fasteners, joist hangers, brackets, and support hardware can begin to rust and corrode over time, weakening the entire support system. So, how do you know if your crawl space support beams might have a problem? One of the first signs is sagging or uneven floors. If part of your home feels bouncy, soft, or sloped, the support system underneath may no longer be carrying the load properly. You might also hear creaking, popping, or groaning sounds when walking across certain rooms. Those noises can sometimes indicate that the framing underneath is under stress. Another warning sign is cracking. As support beams weaken, movement can begin transferring into the walls above, creating cracks in drywall, door frames, or ceilings. And if you notice musty odors inside the home, that could be another clue. Sometimes those smells are actually coming from excess moisture, mold, or mildew developing inside the crawl space. The good news is that many crawl space problems are preventable. The biggest key is moisture control. Keeping the crawl space dry helps protect every structural component underneath the home. One of the most common solutions is installing a vapor barrier. A vapor barrier covers the exposed soil and helps prevent moisture from rising into the crawl space. In some homes, full crawl space encapsulation provides even greater protection by sealing the space from outside moisture and humidity. If groundwater is entering the crawl space, a sump pump may be necessary. A sump pump automatically removes water before it has the chance to collect underneath the home. Many homeowners also install a dehumidifier after encapsulation to keep humidity levels under control year-round. Proper insulation also plays an important role. It helps regulate temperature, reduces condensation, and improves the overall energy efficiency of the home while protecting the crawl space from excessive moisture. Routine inspections are another important part of maintaining your home's structural health. Most homeowners never actually go into their crawl space, so problems can continue to develop for years without anyone noticing. Having the crawl space inspected periodically allows small issues to be identified before they become much larger repairs. If damage has already occurred, there are several repair options depending on the situation. Sometimes beams can be reinforced using a technique called sistering, where new lumber is attached alongside the existing beam to restore its strength. In more severe situations, damaged beams may need to be replaced entirely. Additional support posts can also be installed to improve the overall stability of your floor system. The right solution depends entirely on what's causing the problem. At Dalinghaus Construction, when we inspect the crawl space, we're looking at the entire structural system. We're checking for moisture, wood rot, termite damage, settlement, drainage issues, and any signs that the support system is no longer performing the way it should. Because fixing the beam without solving the moisture problem usually means the damage eventually comes back. If you've noticed sagging floors, musty odors, excessive moisture, or other signs that something may be happening underneath your home, it's a good idea to have your crawl space professionally evaluated. At Dalinghaus Construction, we help homeowners throughout Southern California, Arizona, and Nevada identify crawl space problems early and provide long-term solutions that protect the structure of the home from the ground up. If you have any questions about your crawl space or foundation, contact us today for a free inspection. I'm Justin with Dalinghaus Construction, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next home improvement guide.